Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Sohinis kitchen. Today's recipe is bread lasagna. So let's start with the recipe. The red sauce is now ready. Stir continuously so that no lumps are formed. The white sauce is now ready. Cover and cook until the vegetables are completely cooked and tender. The vegetable mix is now ready. The lasagna is now ready to be baked. We will use a wok to bake the lasagna. For that, we will preheat the wok for 10 to 15 minutes and then put the lasagna bowl inside and bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. The bread lasagna is now ready. Sprinkle on top with any seasoning of your choice. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. See you next week then with a new recipe. Till then, enjoy the bread lasagna with your family and friends.